everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Purist Custom Commander Killer. Here are the pieces for the Purist Custom Commander Killer. Most of these pieces are from the set Luke's Hut, which is probably retired now. Yeah, it's retired. So here is Luke's robes, and I think this really looks like Commander Killer's outfit. After that, we have this cape that's also from the set. That. And then put the angry clone face. And then put the phase 1. I think, yeah, this is the phase 1 clone trooper helmet with the binoculars or the visors. I don't know how to call them. I would prefer you used. Oh wait, I would prefer you use like these brick arms or clone army custom blasters. But you can also, if you like, don't have any custom pieces, you can use this as the this Bad Batch pistol gun thing. So yeah, that's my Commander Killer Purist Custom. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial, and see you in the next video.